Make that fat water run. Hey YouTubers, how you doing tonight? It's Eric, aka Modern Day. So, the East Coast is getting slammed with the winter storm that a lot of the other parts of the country have already got slammed with. So, there's a bunch of snow and ice on the ground, but guess what? I am still heading to the gym. I'm taking the risk. It is worth it to me and my family, even though the gym's only 5-10 minutes away. But it is definitely worth it. So no matter what, you gotta get out there, you gotta get running, you gotta get moving. If you gotta stay in the house, you gotta figure out some other way to do it. You know, run up and down the steps. What you gotta do, whatever you gotta do. You know. So I have a feeling that it's not going to be anyone else at the gym because no one is as crazy as I am. So we will see in a few minutes.
I'll see you on the flip side.
Let's get this shit started. I'm on an amazing pace. I've got 7 minutes. I've already done 100 calories. Hopefully I can keep this up. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Keep it up. Let's get that heart rate. It's only at 122, but let's go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Make that fat water run. Oh, yeah. Pour. When it rains, let it pour. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Pick up that level. Alright, I changed my target heart rate to 140. Let's see what the machine can do. Alright, my heart rate up to 134. Not right in the zone. I want it. I just gotta keep it there. Finally, the fat water's coming out a little bit. Just a little bit though. Heart rate's at 132. I want to get 135, 133, 134. Machine's getting hard. 135. Alright, let's keep it here. 137, 138, 141. That, leave my body. Get off of me. Yes, yes. 143. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Alright, it's getting a little easier now. I'm up to 147. 146. 145. 144. I wonder when this thing gets hard again. 140. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so I'm coming up on 30 minutes, which is halfway there. I'm only at 456 calories. So I wonder where I lost it. I wonder, because if you're going more distance, going faster, do you burn more calories? Or you increase the intensity, keep your heart rate up? Which one's better? Should you be burning more calories? Or should you keep your heart rate, let's say call it in the zone, keep your heart rate in the zone? Which one's more important for fat loss? I don't know. I'll do some research on it. Right now, I'm focusing on my heart rate. Keeping it around the 135, 140 range. Not worrying about distance, not worrying about calories. Ooh, just the heart rate. You see all that fat water dripping off? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Drip, baby, drip. Come out of my body. Burn that fat, burn it. Burn, baby, burn. Ooh. 500 calories. 10 minutes left. Even though I'm not sweating as much, my heart rate's at 144. In the zone, baby, in the zone. Oh yeah. I wonder why I'm not sweating as much though. I'm not sweating. I don't know why. Oh. No. My heart rate's so high. I'm not sweating anymore. A little bit. A little fat water up there, but I'm not like drenched like I normally am. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, cool down. It says I did 5 miles. Are you fucking serious? I gotta see that again. That's what it says. A little shy of 900 calories. Holy crap, look at that distance. 5.10 miles. 5 miles and 10. Holy crap. That's what I'm talking about. I wonder what the hell is up with the calorie counter. Only went over 900. Ooh. Alright, I gotta do a cool down. That's my heart rate is so high. Alright, post-workout convulsion! I came during the snow and ice storm. I defeated my distance. I can't believe I did 5 miles on the elliptical. 5 miles! That is fucking crazy. Where the hell am I going? You know, I don't understand why my calories are still so low. It was just 900 calories. I should have blown the 1,000 calorie mark out of the water. And I don't know what happened. It's weird. You know, even though I monitored my heart rate, I was keeping the heart rate above. My goal was 135. I would say 90% of the time, it was above 140. So, I don't know. It's weird. Hopefully, when I do the research, I'll find out that it's better to keep your heart rate in the zone rather than counting the calories that you burn. Because I know from machine to machine, a lot of times the calories are way off. I've been on some ellipticals where you bust your ass and you only burn 500 calories, even though you put the your weights and everything else in it, your age. And it only comes up, 500-600 calories, and even though you're busting your ass. And then other machines are over 1,000. So, the machines, they're calibrated differently, I guess. So, but hopefully the heart rate, they're all working correctly, and it's really your body is setting that number and not the machine. The machine's just reading it. So, who knows? Hopefully that's more important. I'll try to find out. If I do, I'll let you know, and that's what I'm going to monitor right now. I'm not going to worry about how many calories I burn. Ooh, feeling good, buddy! So, I'm proud of myself. I got out here, and as long as I get home safely, it was totally worth it. Very, very much so. I'm just going to drive slow. I'm not in any rush, and the roads are not that bad. They're a little slippery. You just gotta watch out for those icy spots. Don't take any turns too fast. Don't drive even on the straightaways too fast. You hit that ice and you just. All right, guys. Hope you like my videos. I hope you give me a thumbs up for working out tonight. That's what I'm talking about. Thumbs up for working out. That's dedication, buddy. Dedication. All right. So thumbs up, share my videos, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, right? And I will see you guys tomorrow! Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you guys know anything about losing weight and how it pertains to your heart rate and heart rate zone, leave a comment below. I'm trying to find out some information if it's more important for your heart rate and your heart rate zone, or if it's more about how many calories you burn. So leave some comments below, give me your thoughts, and if you guys still want to laugh, if you haven't watched out my I'm Too Fat top 10 video, click on the top left. If you want to see my very first weigh-in, click on the top right. And if you're not a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye-bye.